Welcome students. This is the last part, all of you, and today we'll be learning how to construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay, how to construct an angle of 90 degree. What will be the very first step, students, to construct an angle of 90 degree? The base. If at all you are, of course, you'll be drawing in a triangle in a 90 degree angle. So first is the base. So now at present I'm just teaching you how to draw the angle. So now over here, just randomly, I'll take a ray or a side or a segment over here. Let us take off 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter. Of course, it should be drawn with pencil. You have lines in your notebook, and these lines, the first line which you draw should be on the ruled line, not in between the two lines. Okay. Now, for example, this is my A, and this is my B, and I want to make 90 degree angle at point A. Okay, I want to make 90 degree angle at point A. Okay, now how to construct at this point, how to construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay, listen very carefully, please. It's very simple. What I will do is, this is my segment AB. This is my segment AB. Okay, it can be considered as a base of any triangle. Now I want to construct a 90 degree angle at this point A. Now what will I do? With the pencil, of course, you all will do with the pencil. I'm just to get highlighted properly, I'm doing it with the pen. You will extend this line. Okay, see, first I'll darken this point so that this is my point A and this is my point B. I want to draw angle 90 degree at point A. First, I'll be extending it. Okay, I'll extend this line with the other color. How will you do? You can draw with the light pencil or you can draw dotted marks. It's upon you. The advisable is to draw with the light pencil. You can extend this. I have just extended it further. Okay. Now listen very carefully. I want to make an angle 90 degree at point A. Okay. In your compass, compulsorily should be drawn with the compass, not with the protractor D. Okay. Now, in your compass, all of you, take any radius. Preferably, if somebody wants to measure, it should be 2 centimeter somewhere approximately, and keep it on the point A, where we need to make angle 90 degree. Keep this point at point A, the pointer of the compass, and mark an arc over here with the same radius. Mark an arc over here. Okay, or you can do something like this. This is better. Like this I do. Okay. Hope you all are understanding this. Okay, I made a semicircle like this, all of you. Okay, so I want to make angle of 90 degree over here. I took just any radius and kept at this point A where I need to make 90 degree, and I made a semicircle over here like this. Okay, now increase the radius, and it should be more than half of this segment AB, more than half. Okay, and increase the radius. Now, keeping it at this point, can you see this point very clearly? Let me zoom in if you want. Okay. Now, keeping at this point, I'll mark an arc over here without changing the radius. Keeping at this point, I'll mark an arc over here. That's it, students. That's it. Let me highlight this point. This is the point of intersection of two arcs. And now I'll connect these 2 points, this point A and this point, all of you. Okay, so now, okay, no line should be left without arrowheads, and this is 90 degree. We don't write 90, we just mark a box here. This is how we make 90 degree, all of you. Is it very simple, all of you? Hope you understood this procedure. So how to construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay, now students, in today's lecture only, I'll be teaching you how to construct an angle of 45 degree. Okay, so now first we constructed this angle of 90 degree. Okay, this was our first question here. Now second, now construct angle of 45 degree. How to construct an angle of 45 degree? You know what are the steps of this angle of 45 degree? Whenever it's asked to construct an angle of 45 degree, step number one is construct angle of 90 degree. Yes, to construct an angle of 45 degree, you first have to construct angle of 90 degree, which we already did. Okay, and second step is bisect 90 degree to get 45 degree. Bisect means divide into two equal parts. Why? Because 90 when divided into two equal parts, 90 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, becomes 45 degree. So whenever a 90 degree is divided into two equal parts, we get two equal angles of 45 degree each. Understanding, students? So whenever they ask you to draw 90 degree angle, this is the procedure how to do it. But whenever they ask you to make an angle of 45 degree, for that also the step one will be first you have to construct an angle of 90 degree, and step two will be you have to bisect that 90 degree angle to get 45 degree. So now I'll teach you how to make an angle of 45 degree. Okay, this is our 90 degree we made. Okay, now how to make an angle of 45 degree. Let me zoom out a little bit from the frame. Okay, now please pay attention. For example, let's consider that they are asking me to make an angle of 45 degree. So step one will be construct an angle of 90 degree, which I already did. Second second step is to bisect 90 degree angle to get 45 degree, because bisect means two equal parts. Bi means two, sec means two equal parts. I have to make it. So 90 upon 2 becomes 45. So 45, two angles will be made. Now how to do it? Now listen here. Suppose we have made this. Now radius does not matter. You can change the radius or you can keep the diameter also. Now pay attention, all of you, all eyes over here. See, I am highlighting 2 points. All of you, you will not do it in the exam. Just to make this video, I am highlighting this point. This point is on this bar AB, and this point is on this 90 degree wali blue line. Okay, so these 2 points are on the arms of the angle which makes 90 degree. This point and this point, I have highlighted these 2 points. Okay, now take any radius of your choice, preferably more than half. Okay, but I have changed the radius. Okay, I have changed the radius. Okay, now keeping at this point, which I have encircled with a green color, an arc over here. Okay, now without changing the radius, keeping it at this point, an arc over here. Okay, then highlight this point, and this point I will connect with this 90 degree point where there is an angle of 90 degree. Okay, let me draw it. Yes. Okay, this was 90 degree, and now what happened? This is 45 degree, all of you, and this is also 45 degree. No line should be left without arrowheads. This is how we bisect. Okay, pause the video please, all of you, and do it fast. All of you, pause the video and do it fast. Students, now the first question, all of you, all eyes over here please. Construct a triangle MNO. Okay, where MN is 7 centimeter, angle N is 90 degree, and NO is 5 centimeter. Now students, pay attention. Here I have written angle N as 90 degree. In the exam, the other way of giving this is they can even say construct a triangle MNO which is right angled at N. Means it is right angled at point N in triangle MNO. So even they can give you like this format, or they can give you this format. This also means that N is 90 degree. Okay, now construct a triangle MNO where N is 90 degree. How we construct a triangle which is right angle triangle? First of all, we need to draw a rough diagram over here. So in the rough diagram, all of you, in the rough diagram, this is how we draw. Okay, it's the right angle triangle, so it should look something like this. Here it's 90 degree. It's clearly given N is 90 degree or right angle at N. This is N. Now it's upon you. You can take this as M and this as O. Okay, but you should also see that what data is given to us. Okay, now see, if I take this as M and this as O, this is M and O. Is MN given to me? Yes, it's 7 centimeter given to me. It's 90 degree. Don't write ever 9090. This box means 90 degree. And NO is 5 centimeter. You can even term this as M and this as O. So this will become 7. Okay. So let's start, all of you. So first thing, I need to draw a segment NO over here. Okay, let me do it very quickly now. Fast. What we did. So NO is 5 centimeter over here. 5 centimeter. On the ruled line of your book, you will make this. Okay, let this point. Okay, this is my N, this is my N, this darkened point over here, this is N. and this is point O. On the spot, write like this, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, like this. Okay, now I have to make an angle of 90 degree at point N. So what I will do, I will extend this line. I will extend this line. You can, I told you on the ruled line only you have to draw this NO, and with the light pencil, now it is slightly light, just it should be visible, but there should be a difference. This is dark line, NO. The light line, you can extend this. I have to make a 90 degree at point N. What I will do, I will take any radius in my compass, keep it at point N, all of you, mark an arc over here. With the same radius, without changing the radius, mark an arc over here. Now increase the radius, it should be more than half of this NO. I have taken much bigger, it's fine, absolutely fine. Now keeping at this point, it is clearly seen, keeping at this point, an arc over here. With the same radius, without changing the radius, keeping at this point, an arc over here. Okay. Let's dark this point, highlight this point, and join this, please. No line should be left without arrows, heads, see here. Okay, now don't make this blunder that this is 7 centimeter, so you will just extend this as 7 centimeter. No, it should be go on and on. You should make a big line. Now we know this MN is 7 centimeter, so in my compass, I'll take 7 centimeter here. I'll take 7 centimeter here in my compass. Okay, 7 centimeter here in my compass, and keeping at point N, I'll make an arc over here. 7 centimeter. Yeah, and this now becomes point M. Okay, so this becomes point M. And this is how much? 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. This is 90 degrees. So a box here. Don't write 9090. Okay, and this we have to connect it. M and O. This is how we should do it, all of you. Pause the video, please, and do it fast, everyone. Okay, students. Now please see here, all of you. Now we are making a triangle in which the 45 degrees is involved. Pay attention. Construct a triangle STU such that TU is 9 centimeter, STU is 45 degree, and ST is 7. First of all, any angle which is given should be made on the base. Okay, so it's compulsory to draw the rough diagram over here, rough figure, what we say. Okay, now see here. Let me make a rough figure over here. This is my rough figure over here. Okay, angle should be 45 degree. It's upon me. I can take here or here. I'll take here as 45 degree. You can also take it here. Now see here, angle T, STU, the central angle, central alphabet T is 45 basically. So this should be T. This should be T. Now it's upon you. You take this as S and this as U, or you take this as U or this as S. I'll take this as S. Okay, and this as U. Now is TU given to me? Yes, TU is 9 centimeter. This TU is 9 centimeter. Okay, and ST, what about ST? Yes, ST is also given 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. It's so simple now, students. Now it's 45 degree. We already discussed how to make an angle 45 degree, how to construct an 45 degree angle. S1 means step 1. Step 1 is what? Construct a 90 degree. Construct angle of 90 degree. And step 2, bisect it. Step 2 is bisect it. Bisect means 90 divided by 2. 2 equal parts we will divide this 90 degree. 2 ones are 2 45s are. So we'll get 2 angles of 45 degree each. Okay, let's do it. The first thing is drawing the base segment TU of 9 centimeter, please. On the ruled line, you will draw this 9 centimeter. You should leave sufficient space at the top. It should be near to the bottom of your page. Okay, so I'll make this as 9 centimeter over here. All of you, see this. Okay, this is my base of 9 centimeter. This, let me dark this point. This is T and this is U. This is T and this is U. It's 9 centimeter. On the spot write it, then we forget to write the dimensions. And if you don't write the dimensions, we don't label it, your marks will be deducted. Okay, now at T we want 45 degree. But what are the steps to how to construct an angle of 45 degree? How to construct? Step 1 is construct a 90 degree at point T, because we want T by 45 degree. Step 1 is construct 90 degree. Okay, how to do it? We extend the line with the light pencil. Okay, over here we extend this line. Okay, because we want over here, so we'll extend this line, all of you, like this. Make an arrowhead over here. At T I'll make 90 degree. take any radius in the compass, all of you. Okay, I'll have zoomed it a little bit so it's very clear. Keeping at point T, an arc over here, an arc over here. Increase the radius, it should be more than half. Okay, keeping at this point, an arc over here. Keeping at this point, an arc over here. Okay, dark this point, highlight that point, and join these 2 points, this and this. Okay, make an arrow over here, and hope you all are aware this is 45 degree. So here point S will not come, this is 90 degree. Make a box here, we don't write 90 degree. Now step 2 is bisect it. How to bisect it, all of you? How to bisect it, all of you? Okay, it was preferable that we should have drawn a semicircle over here, but I just forgot to draw that semicircle. Okay, so now how to bisect it? First, if you construct it like this, now it's telling you how to bisect this 45 degree. So what you have to do, you can take any radius over here, any radius in your compass. Okay, any radius. It's not necessary that it should be earlier than this only. At the time of teaching you 45 degree, what I did, I had taken a complete semicircle, but this time I did like this. Actually, I forgot to make a semicircle. So it's no issues. We just have to bisect it, right? So even if it's like that, what you have to do, you take any radius, keep it at point T. I have to bisect this angle T. It's total 90. I have to divide it into 2 parts. Okay, it should not match with this point. Okay, once again, now you draw like this, an arc over here. Okay, an arc over here. Now see this, these are the 2 points. One point is this and other point is this. Increase the radius, keep it at this point, an arc over here. With the same radius, keeping at this point, an arc over here. Okay, I'll highlight this point. Okay, and join this with the T. Make a big line. See, it's 7 centimeter, but don't take it 7 centimeter. It should extend it till the height of the page. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. Now in the compass, I will take 7 centimeter. Now in the compass, wait, I'll take the 7 centimeter, please. Keeping at point T, I'll mark an arc over here. And students, this point, please pay attention. This point will be acting like point S for me, because this is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter, all of you. This is 7 centimeter, all of you. Okay, this is point S. This is point T. This is point U. We'll just have to connect this S and U, all of you. Okay, I have connected this point S and U. That's it, students. Pause the video, please, all of you, and do it fast, everyone. This is how we connect 45 degree. And hope you understood this. At the time of making 90 degree, I just forgot to make a semicircle. So afterwards also we can, with the help of this method, we can bisect it. Okay, pause the video, please, and do it fast.